Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of Standard 10th, welcome to the online lecture series for the subject of Science 2. So, as you know, students, from the next week, your practice test is about to begin. And in the last lecture, we had discussion on the paper pattern of Science 2. So, today in this lecture, we'll see the quick revision of the chapters which are going to come in this practice test. So there are 4 chapters which are going to come: chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 4, and chapter number 5. So let us have the topics, let us see the topics are the things which you are supposed to do. Actually, everything is important, whatever is given in your textbook. And as it was told to you, for MCQs, you are supposed to read each and every line of the chapter. So if we talk about chapter number 1, heredity and evolution, okay, so the definitions of transcription, translation, translocation, okay, do this well. Then if we see the further things like, the diagram, okay, so the diagram important, important diagram in the sense you are about pics would be given like this. If remember, the pics were given like this, and the question was asked on the note. So if that way question may come, okay, even this diagram, okay, you should be familiar with the diagram, okay, so that you are able to answer the questions which are based on the diagram, okay, like connecting links, this one, or paleontological evidence. So you must be familiar with this diagram. Then the diagram of embryological evidences, okay, be familiar with this so that you are able to identify and you can write note on them, okay. Similarly, for the Lamarckism, you should know what this diagram is indicating, right? So these are the things. Then this one, okay, this was asked to you last time, okay, so even you can have this. Then questions, all the questions which are given over here, okay, do it properly, read each and every question. It can come anyway, so everything is important from here, okay, all textual questions. Then if you come to next chapter, chapter number 2, life processes in living organism, part 1, okay, read every line of the chapter, okay, the question may come. Then yes, the diagram based questions, like you are supposed to identify the diagram and what it made, what it show, what it make us to understand. This one, it was asked to you last time, if you remember. Moving ahead, yeah, this tree diagram, both the tree diagrams are very important, okay, usually question come on them, so do practice this, both the tree diagram properly, okay. This one, okay, even this kind of diagram, okay, or the charts which help you to understand the importance of amino acid. Moving ahead, okay, cell division, a very important topic of this chapter, mitosis and meiosis, okay, which was explained to you. Do this properly, okay. Even this kind of diagram, it was asked last time as well, okay. So remember the phases of mitosis, what this 2n and n means, okay, what is the meaning of 2n? You know that it's diploid. If it is n, it is haploid, okay, remember this, okay. Different stages of meiosis, okay, meiosis 1, meiosis 2, okay, remember them as well. This diagram, yeah, if I was talking about this type of diagram was asked to you last time, so have a practice of this as well. Then all the exercise questions, okay, filling the blanks, definition. Filling the blanks is a way to ask you multiple choice question, okay. Apart from the chapter, here the MCQ can come also from the filling the blanks. Distinguish everything, okay, give reason, answer in detail, okay, this kind of tree diagram. Now moving ahead with chapter number 4, environmental management, food chain, know what is food chain, right? Then moving ahead, the questions on different type of pollution or different type of waste. Okay, do it properly. How environment can be conserved. Okay, Jado Mulay Payang, the story of Jado Mulay Payang. Okay, then different types of biodiversity. Okay, sacred groves. Yeah, this symbols. Okay, what are the meaning of this symbol? If it is asked to you, you have to identify and write the meaning of this symbol and give slogan to them. What slogan you will give? Okay, then these are hotspot biodiversity. Then moving ahead with this classification of threatened species. Okay, a note can come on this. Fine. So all these questions, textual questions. Okay, do it properly. All the questions, as I said you, this kind of question can come. Okay, then chapter number 5 towards green energy. Even this is a very important chapter, and there are many flow charts given in this chapter and the diagram. So you are supposed to prepare every flow chart. Okay, question can come on the flow charts. So read in every questions. Okay, all the type of power plant and the conversion, step by step conversion. Okay, prepare all the flow charts properly. Okay, very important. This nuclear power plant, the flow chart of nuclear power plant. Do all this very well. Okay, once it was asked question on this in the board exam. Okay, even this one. So this chapter have mainly conversion of different forms of energy into electrical energy. Hydroelectric power plant. Okay, question can come on this as well, the flow chart. So basically in this chapter, flow chart, advantages and disadvantages. Moving ahead with different solar way to use or to get electricity. Okay, actually this part is excluded, so question will not come on the excluded part. Remember this, whatever part is excluded from the syllabus, I am not going to ask question on that. Okay, so solar energy, how we get electrical energy from the solar energy, even this one. So do all the practice of the different flow charts from this chapter. Okay, and this one, okay, all the practices, give reason, explain the difference. Okay, all the textual questions. So I wish you all the best for the coming, even this one. I wish you all the best for the coming practice tests. Do well, study well. Inshallah, we'll have lectures even during the exam period. Okay, so as soon as you finish up writing the exam, whenever you get the time, and you can go through the lectures which are uploaded on our school channel. Okay, all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.